What's wrong with you? Why's he gone wide for? Man, how are you?
You going?
Yeah, I'm just leaving, mate.
Yeah, sounds sorry, mate. I'm up in Tech.
That's alright.
11th, the next one on 11th, we're going to promote the out of it. We're going to get some stalls down there.
Yeah.
The rest of it, so you can rock up. We're going to do the pre-meet as well.
Yeah, we get some rollers this time, yeah? Don't know what the f that was, what I rolled here to this time.
I'll get ready to it. I'll sit round the long way. I'm about to get one of these. Look after yourself.
Nice one, lads. That's clean. Oh, I've got fly in my eye! No, that's cheating, mate! Roll on in fifth! This looks alright, doesn't it?
Is that on?
It's on.
Right. Nothing's flashing.
It's on.
Right. This is the road.
This is the road, is it?
That road.
Where's he? Right there as well. I think my speedo is just way out, you know. I swear it said like 130 on there. This road is actually mad. Why's he gone wide for? shit, that road didn't look good. Thank you, Africa Twin. Woo! Gotta let it decelerate a little bit. You know what I mean? Come out of bend, let it decelerate, let it get to that nice RPM. Excuse me. That nice RPM sweet spot that it likes. BAM! It's straight up. But look at this! This is where they filmed Gladiator! I think I've got a fly in my helmet.
I honestly thought, when I went white, I thought I heard you there.
Oh, I was thinking, I thought you saw roadkill.
Fucking hell, he's underneath me.
No, I thought it was. I thought you saw roadkill.
Both of them.
Yeah.
I was like, is that? No, it's not. What's
Yeah, yeah.
If you want the picture, this one's in here.
2 closed rods and a fat detour later. This is what we're dealing with. Battery died. Everything's dying. I'm gonna die. Where's my? Oh, it's there. Gotta squeeze this lorry. Gotta squeeze this lorry. Squeeze this lorry. Oh, saved it. Huh? What's wrong with you?
Why the fuck would you go between that trailer?
Alright, guy.
Are you got a problem with your spatial awareness? Suck my d. Oh, good job I switched my batteries over. I would have missed some pure classic entertainment for you lot. I never fail to get in an argument with someone. Handled well, as always. Yeah, I don't know what he was screaming about. It's not he was guy. Literally, there's a car directly in front of him, blocking all of us. Like, I've reflected on the situation, and I'd cut that gap any day of the week. Guy can suck it. Flipping hell! The f guys, we're with O's R7. What do you do on YouTube, like bike reviews and doing the speed limit and that? Yeah, nah, get on it, mate. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is gonna be a sketchy 10 minutes. What is this? How you getting on up there? I don't know if I can get through this. I can squeeze. You wanna get on the back? You can get on the back.
GBX on this motherfucker.
Yo! Oh!